Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. Let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Let's tap on the contacts and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and let me quickly remove the photo. So basically this is what you will see after opening the contact without any picture. So let's tap on the circle or this option, add picture. It's up to you, it does not really matter. Here we've got three different options. So we've got the illustrations. Basically, if you will have the internet connection, you can search through them and pick some interesting graphics. Here we've got Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery too, and device photos, where we've got the gallery and the camera. So after tapping on this option, your device will open the camera app and you will be able to immediately take a photo of someone who's in front of you. So let me maybe pick the gallery. Simply we will find the photo. Yeah, I'd like to check what kind of photo is this. Okay, that's all right. So simply tap on the photo and here in this step you can zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, so you can position it in this highlighted circle, and thanks to this you can decide how you will what it will be actually applied to the contact. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on choose, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. So remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see it on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Be aware that your device will need the time to refresh everything, but no worries, it will be eventually applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.